All right, y'all, how you doing? It's another blessed day. So I got last packed up. I'm getting ready to roll out to make another trip, just a 2-day trip like last time, going from South Carolina to Texas. I don't have my camping stove with me, so I'm gonna just have to get food when I wake up in the morning. It is what it is, man. You do what you gotta do, right? Won't be able to cook out this time. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna camp at for the night, but doesn't really matter. I got that Smitty built tent back there. I'm gonna make it do, right? That's what we do, right? We make it happen. Either way, we're gonna hit this road. We're gonna make some time, drive about maybe 6 hours. I usually try to get in about 8 or 9 on the first day, but I'm leaving kind of late, so I'm gonna try to get about 6 hours in, and we'll find where we're gonna camp at that time. Pull up the tent, camp, sleep, get up next morning tomorrow, do it all over again, and end that trip in the Lone Star State of Texas. So, see y'all in a bit. Let's ride. All right, everybody, so check it out. I'm here in Alabama, and as you can see from the sign behind me, I found a little town that's named after me, which is pretty cool. It ain't named after me, but I like to think it is, because I like to think I'm just that important. If not to anybody else, at least to me. Y'all know how it is, but check it out. So, I just got gas over there at that Love's across the street over there. And I'm about maybe 5 hours into the drive. When I get a little bit further on the road, I'm gonna try to get at least 2 more hours into the ride and find somewhere to set up and camp, put my tent up, and call it a night. Back down a little further down the road, I ran into some rough weather, pretty bad rain. Back in Georgia, even before it rained, there was a turnover car in the median. Saw that, and then back down the road a little bit where they had the bad weather, there was a semi that ran off the road and behind the guardrail and into the trees. So the weather was pretty rough. So, you know, I only saw like maybe, could see about 20 feet ahead of me. It was pretty bad. So I'm gonna get on down this road and I will check back in with y'all when I set up to camp for the night. I'll see y'all in a few. Peace out. Okay, y'all, so I gotta make this quick because I gotta get this tent up because it started to rain. So I ended up driving a few more hours than I intended to. I ended up going about 4 hours more, and it's almost 11:30, and I ended up at Sheffield State Park here in Mississippi. So I found a spot, came on, and now I'm gonna get this Smitty built tent open, get on the inside, get some sleep, get up in the morning, and get the next day started. So I gotta go ahead and get this thing popped up so I can get inside before the rain starts falling pretty good. I don't know how hard it's gonna get, but I'm gonna go ahead and get inside before it starts coming down pretty good, if it's gonna get that hard. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, everybody, so I'm up. It's about 6:45. I slept good last night. Smitty built never let me down. Just so everybody knows, I got the regular Smitty built. I know a lot of people like the Overlander XL, but I just got the regular Overlander because, hey, most of the time it's just me. Sometimes both of us are in the tent, but most of the time it's just me, so it fits perfect for what I need. For the ones of y'all that got kids, need a little extra space, maybe you got all of your dogs with you, because we do have a couple ourselves, but you need the extra room, you might want to go with the XL. And as you can see, I don't have the rain fly on because I never use it anyway, so I just took it off and I leave it at the crib. So that's what I'm rolling with. Now, last night it did rain, but I didn't have any problems. Actually, I think the rain helped me sleep a little bit better, so that was a good thing. But something else happened that I made a mistake with last night, that I usually don't make mistakes because I do all my little checks and everything to make sure I'm good to go. So something happened last night that I want to show y'all. Hold up, check it out. So apparently I left my window down. Man, that is something that I never do, but I left the window down. But check it out, here's the crazy thing. I mean, you can see right here the marks from the rain drips coming down the side of the door and everything. But check it out, I got this board sitting here that I use when I'm by myself. Got my towel on here, and this thing is completely dry. I mean, there's not even water on the floor except for the little bit that's dripped down here since I had the door open, but there's not even water on the floor. This thing is dry. I don't even understand how everything is dry, even the dash. Like, it's almost like the water just came down the side of the window, hit right in there, and left it at that. So, hey, I'm fortunate that nothing got all wet up inside, and that's good. So, but anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get that Smitty book broke down and get up out of here. Mosquitoes are getting bad. I gotta put a shirt on. Starting to get bit. Y'all notice I got my Scott Taylor shirt, one of my favorite racers. Like this dude. Check it out, check it out. Scott Taylor Racing, out of Mississippi. Gotta rep one of my favorite racers. But anyway, let's get this thing broke down so we can get up out of here. Y'all see me fighting these mosquitoes, man. These things are starting to attack. They wouldn't bother me like 5 minutes ago, but they're starting to come at me now, so I don't know whether they just woke up too, but I gotta get out of here, so hold on. I know y'all saw that. Laid the tent cover on the roof, touched it, water started flowing out of the tent. So I said, well, I'll shut the door, which I could have just left it running like it was to keep it from going inside, and shut the tent in the door. So guess where the water was leaking? Inside. All right, that's it, y'all. Maybe 5 minutes, set up, break down. It took me more time to load all my stuff up in the thing and take it out. So, so I got one more thing to do before I get on the road. Now, I know when it comes to aftermarket parts, there's a love-hate relationship. Some people like certain brands, some people don't. Some people think certain brands are garbage, some are not. But I gotta show y'all something that I gotta show some love to them. So hold up. So check it out. So when I got this thing, I got it back in June of 2019, right? So when I got it, there wasn't many aftermarket accessories available for this thing, so I had to get what I could. And I ended up with the DV8 inner fender liners because they were the only company making those for this at the time. So there's another part that I had to get from DV8 that's been working out great. Y'all see these right here? DV8 slim fenders. Look at that. Now, the reason I want to bring these up is because I got these slim fenders. Oh man, it might have been like November or something like that of 2019. I don't know. So I've had them for over a year and a half. And I gotta tell you, I gotta show some love to Deviate. I gotta give them some props. These slim fenders haven't rusted. They haven't bent. They're not warped. And if y'all watch any of my videos, I take this thing on trails. I stand on these things when I'm setting up and breaking down my RTT. I pretty much bump these things with the drill. I set tools on top of these things, and these things are still standing. So much love to Deviate. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show them some props. They're still connected, no rust. Go up through all the abuse that I put them through, and they're still going. So Deviate, appreciate you. I'm gonna get this thing cranked up. We're gonna get on the road. We're gonna find some food somewhere and keep it kicking, and we're gonna get on to Texas. So catch y'all in a few. Peace out. I just wanted to do this real quick. You know, a little quick drive around the Sheffield State Park. Saw something through the woods. I figured it might be worth exploring. Be like a scene from a scary movie. Come out here and get attacked by something. I am from the South, and we are in the South. All this swampland got a lot of four-legged creatures that would just love to put it down on a human. Okay, all right. So here we go, backside of Sheffield State Park. You can see all this. Let me zoom out a little bit. You can see all this little nice little swampland out here. Like I say, we are in the South, so this can be expected. This is what we have down here. There's a boardwalk right here that it looks like, because I saw a building through the trees back over there on the other side where I drove over by the park. So from what I understand, I don't want to walk too far because I really didn't intend on coming over here. I wonder if there's any fish in there. Uh-oh, something moving. Your boy need his fishing poles. Wonder if they'll let me fish. Anyway, yeah, it's all right here. Make sure y'all click like and subscribe down there. I think I do pretty good with my commentary. I'm pretty decent at it. So you can't see it from here, but over there somewhere, there, over there, I could have swore I saw a building over there. Maybe I was just looking at the board, walking through the trees, looked like a building. I don't know. But anyway, this is the backside of Sheffield Park, State Park. Got a little nature for the kids, something to see. It's not bad out here. The site was pretty good and everything, so it's quiet. Birds tripping already early in the morning, so. Either way, just wanted to show y'all a little bit of that. We're gonna get back on this road and let's move, y'all. Deuces. Peace out. So one of the things I want to point out is something that a lot of these state parks do. And as you can see, this one is closed till July 5th, probably because Hurricane Elsa is coming through, because it does say something about emergency, she an emergency manager or whatever. But anyway, I want to point this out, that a lot of them do this. And as you can see, it says honor box. Let me turn it around so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see a lot, it says honor box, and a lot of them are based on this. So because the offices only stay open only certain hours a day. You know, people got to go home, be with their families. So what they do is based off of honor box. You come in, you pay the fee, and you put it in the envelope, put it in the box, go to a site. And you're supposed to list the site on the envelope, but obviously if you're coming in, you don't know what site you're going to. You can always go back there, get the site, come back, and whatever. But that's what you do. And here at Sheffield State Park, it was only $13 for the night. But if ever y'all come and stay one of these state parks, it's real quiet, the scenery is good. It's great staying at one of these, especially if you got a pop-up tent, RTT, or even a bed tent or something like that. It's a real good place to stay. So when you show up to one of these, please do your part. Put the money in the box. Support these parks. And one of the reasons they are so cheap for you to put up your tent and everything at and put your RV out is because people are doing the right thing. So please, if you go to one of these state parks and it has the setup like that right there, just put the right money in, do the right thing. But just wanted to point that out. Once again, I keep saying it, y'all. If I keep stopping, I ain't gonna never make it. But that's what it's all about. It's about the journey, y'all. So we're gonna get on to the next stage. We're gonna hit this road, bounce, and y'all know what to do. All right, y'all, so check this out. I had to stop to the gas station, take a break, you know what I mean? And I think I'd go ahead and fill up while I'm here. Still got about a little over half a tank, but I'm gonna fill up anyway, you know, because I'm here. And I figured I'd show y'all something. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm not a real big person on miles per gallon and all of that, because if I were really worried about miles, how many miles I'm getting to the gallon, then I'd have bought a little car, you know what I mean? But I got a Jeep. I know that owning a Jeep, SUV, truck, or anything, the gas mileage is horrible. That's just the way it works, man. I had a Ram that only got 13 miles to the gallon. Now, granted, it was on 9 just a lift and all this other stuff, but at the end of the day, it didn't get good gas mileage either. But being that I'm here, I want to show you something. So hold on. Check that out. 18.1 miles to the gallon. What the? Now, I'm on 37 by 1350 Yokohama Geolandar XAT tires. And I'm on these American Racing Baja 17 by 9-inch rims. Now I'm running 488 Yukon gears. When I had my 35s on here with these same wheels, I was still getting around the same gas mileage. So this is nothing new. So I just want to point that out to you. Not that I'm really worried about it, but I just want to point that out to y'all that can't be done. Now, let me tell you one last thing. A lot of that was in bad traffic. So I was going slower than what I would normally go. So if I were going my normal speed that I normally drive, I probably average out about 16 miles to the gallon, to be honest. But the speed that I've been going, it's been keeping me around about 70 miles an hour. That's what I've been averaging out right now, is 18 miles to the gallon. I got the back seat full of stuff. I got the bed loaded down with stuff. And I got the tent up on the rack back there. So that's a lot of weight. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go in here, take this break, do what I gotta do, fill on back up, and we're gonna get back on the road. So I will see y'all back in a little bit. Peace out. All right, yo, y'all check it out. I'm out here in, where we at?
Love's Travel Stop in Houston, Texas.
Love's Travel Stop in Houston, Texas. I'm out here with my man, do security out here. What's your name?
Harrison.
Harrison. See, this is what I'm talking about. My man just came up, started talking to me about my Jeep, asking me questions. Hey, yo, like I tell y'all all the time, it ain't about the destination, it's about the journey. And part of me doing off-road and going to trails, camping, all of the stuff that I do, everywhere that I go, is I always meet good people. And my man Harrison, me and him been talking for like 10 minutes now, good people. So I just want to show y'all, don't worry so much about the destination, it's the journey. Everything from start to finish and in between. That's how we do it.
Good advice.
See? My man. So we appreciate y'all. My man Harrison. Till next time, we out.
Y'all take care.
Well, that is it. That was another 2-day quick trip. Like always, it was a good trip. Made it here safe. Met a few good people. Camped out. Had a good night. Had a good day. Hey, it was all good. And I'm blessed to have another day. So, until the next trip, y'all know what y'all need to do. Find something that you enjoy and go out and change your life. Peace out.